Hi, in this video, I'm going to tell you how to transfer money from any part of the world using the TransferWise app. So in this app, we can transfer money at the very low cost which they are providing, and we can see the latest trend also. So every conversion and everything will be on the spot. So this app is very transparent. So that's why I recommend this app. And let's get into the video and see how this app works. First thing, we have to download the app by clicking the link which I have provided in the description below. So the app get installed, and this is how the app launch. There will be various information like it is the cheapest way of transfer of money, and all the information will be provided at the launching of the app. So you can register by entering your email and putting the details. I have already registered, so I'm logging in. So this is how the home page of the app looks like, and there will be various details and advertisement of their card which we can spend into 150 country plus. And here is the trend showing the euro is falling down. So these all can be seen in the home page. By clicking on the account tab, we can see our name and primary account details here, and we can see the invite code also, which we can share to 3 people, and we get 90 euros as a referral bonus. And all other major account details will be displayed here. On the recipient tab, we can see the people who we have sent money. On the card tab, we can see the benefits of using the card. We can order this card at €7 fee, and we can see we can transfer it in 150 plus countries, and the conversion charge will be minimal and it will be fast. By clicking on the send option, we can send money to other countries. So I'm planning to send it to India. So by clicking on the currency, Indian rupees, and I'm planning to send 1000 euros. So you can see the trend, the euro is falling. So after conversion, the price will be 79,000. So you can see how Wise compares here. You know what? I changed my mind. I'm planning to send 950 euros instead of 1000 euros. So after selecting euros, again I have to select INR. And here again we can see the transfer fees. It's almost the same. So by clicking the confirm button, we can add the recipient, and I've already selected my account in India. So here I can enter all my bank details, IFSC code and everything. After entering all the details, please press confirm, and it will be launched to the reason page. What's the reason of sending the money, and select the reason accordingly. Here I am selecting the family maintenance. So it is not an NRA account, so it will be loaded and the payment option will be popped up. You can see the different rates transfer. Fees will be less when you're doing a manual bank transfer. So here I am planning to select a Google Pay option because I want to send it fast. So my card will be popped up after selecting the continue button and pay 950 euros. The money will be transferred to my Indian account. So this is how fast the TransferWise is acting, and it's very fast and easy to send money. So let's try a different amount. Let me send 50 US dollar to my friend. So he has only an email ID. So I don't have his account details. So you can see after pressing the send option, add recipient, someone else. By clicking on that, we can copy paste the email ID. If he is already in Wise, it will be very easy to transfer by clicking the confirm button and again selecting the Google Pay option. The money will be sent like that in 4 seconds. The money will be sent to him in USD. I hope you have enjoyed this video. So if you want to download this app, you can check the description. Thanks guys for watching. I hope this video was informative. Until next time, peace out.